U-2Dragon Lady. The U-2Dragon Lady has been spying from the edge of space since 1956. It flies above 70,000 feet, higher than any commercial jet. It captured secret photos during the Cold War, including Soviet missile sites in Cuba. Still flying today, merely 70 years later. A plane that refuses to retire. SR-71 Blackbird was the fastest spy plane ever, over Mach 3. If a missile locked on, it simply flew faster. It reached 85,000 feet, so high pilots saw the curve of Earth. Not a single Blackbird was ever shot down. A legend built for danger. RB-57 Canberra. Before U-2 and Blackbird, the RB-57D climbed higher than any bomber. It flew in the 1950s to gather maps, weather data, and Cold War intelligence. It proved a simple idea. If you want to see more, fly higher. The quiet pioneer of aerial spying. RQ-4 Global Hawk. This giant drone replaced many manned spy planes. It can stay in the air over 30 hours straight with no pilot on board. Scans everything below using radar and infrared sensors. Perfect for tracking threats, while humans stay safe on the ground. RC-135 Rivet Joint. Some spy planes don't take pictures, they listen. The RC-135 intercepts enemy radios, radar signals, and military communications, used since Vietnam, and still crucial in modern missions. When others talk, this jet hears everything. RQ-170 Sentinel. A stealth spy drone so secret, the US barely talks about it. Nicknamed the Beast of Kandahar, it sneaks into enemy airspace to watch without being seen. The future of spying is silent.